Hi everyone. Hi Patty. They tell me from the back end that we have 16 people, organizers included, so that's nice. Hi everyone. I hope you're having a nice Friday, and I hope you're ready for this chat. Today we are talking about finding the right tech partner. And what that even means, we'll find out soon. So, for those who don't know who I am, hi, my name is Tin Geber. I am originally from Croatia, but I grew up in Italy, in Rome, and I'm currently in the Netherlands, in The Hague. By the way, I'm also known for speaking very fast. So if I do start to speak very fast, which I do when I get excited, please write it in the chat. Write anything, big capital letters, slow down. And I'll do my best. I just prefer doing workshops when I can actually physically see people because talking to a screen is not the same thing, but we're 6 people, so I'm imagining all of you sitting in my living room and looking at me right now. Okay, I have 2 hats. The main one is my job as a social innovation specialist with a Dutch-based international NGO called HIVOS. Basically what I do is I try to figure out the best ways for HIVOS to maximize their experimentation so that they can find new and innovative ways to further their mission and vision. HIVOS works mostly on humanist rights, from freedom of expression to sexual rights and diversity, all the way to sustainability and environmental rights. And we have 15 people in the Russian room. Hello, everyone. So that's one hat. The other hat is that of a computational artist, which means that I do art, but with computers, and have lots of fun doing this. And you can find out a little bit more about that on my website. That's tin.fyi. Okay, let's get started. By the way, I'm always checking the chat, so if at any moment you want to ask questions or point out something or have a comment, just write it down and I will jump into it. I love and much prefer interactive rather than, monologuing. So yeah, if at any moment you want to dive deeper into something, just let me know. Quick vanity card. This is a selection of groups that I worked with in the past decade, and most of my work has always been that of, in a nutshell, a tech translator. So skills are that of a wonderful generalist, in that I know a bit about a lot. So I have found myself working a lot with groups that were trying to understand how to incorporate technology into their advocacy or activism, but didn't know where to start and how even to do this. So I have, lots of experience figuring out how to best make connections between technologists, non-technologists, helping, plan strategies around whether to use tech and how to use it, when it makes sense, when it doesn't make sense, and so on. Oh, by the way, this webinar is meant to last, my presentation is meant to last, let's say, more or less an hour, even less. We ask you to be here for 1/1.5 hours, which is mostly because I would like to have time to take questions and just have a chat about anything that you might have found interesting or confusing or want to know more. I won't ask you if that makes sense. I will assume that it does. We will move on. Apologies. So you and I will have 2 webinars together. The first one is focused on finding the right tech partner, and the second one will be focused on working